Good morning, my dear students. In this video, we will continue chapter 2 Factors and Multiples with worksheet number 1. Okay. First of all, let us see these prime numbers from 1 to 100. I have written prime numbers from 1 to 100. If you want, you can write down these prime numbers in your notebooks. Okay. From 1 to 10, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. From 11 to 20, these are 11, 13, 17, 19. From 21 to 30, prime numbers are 23 and 29, and so on. Okay. As you can see, the smallest prime number is 2 here, which is the only even prime number. All prime numbers are odd, as you can see here, except 2. 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, and it is also the smallest prime number. Okay. Now, question number 1 is fill in the following blanks. Some of the fill-ups are there, others you will do yourself, which is your homework. Okay. D part, 6 is a composite number as it has dash factors. First of all, we will write down the factors of 6. You can write in your rough work. Factors of 6 are 1, start from 1, right? 2, next 3 and 6. That is the numbers which divide 6 exactly. As you can see, here are 4 factors of 6. So 6 is a composite number. What are composite numbers? Which have more than 2 different factors, right? Other than 1 and itself. So it has 4 factors. Okay. So you can write 4. Dash is the only even prime number. As I discussed, 2 is the only even prime number. Next is G part. The smallest composite number is, you have to find out the smallest composite number. Okay. 1 is not a composite number, right? You will start from 1. Okay. 2 is a prime number. Okay. So it is not composite. 3 is also a prime number. Next is 4. Next number is 4. The smallest composite number is 4. Okay. Next, I part. The greatest 2-digit prime number is, see, you have to find the greatest 2-digit prime number. First of all, what is the greatest 2-digit number? Greatest 2-digit number is 99, right? But it should be prime number. Okay. So, check the number before 99. The previous number of 99, which is 98, right? It is also not a prime number. Next, the previous number is 97. Yes, 97 is a prime number. So, answer is 97. Question number 2. Are the following numbers prime or composite? Show by finding factors. C part, 89. You have to first find out the factors and then we'll check it is prime or composite. Okay. First of all, find out the factors of 89. We will start from 1, right? 1 multiplied by 89 is 89, right? Now, check in table of 2. 89 आता है 2 के टेबल में? No. Next number is 3. You can check in your rough work by dividing like this. Okay. Okay, we will check with 3. 3 to just 6, right? Subtract, we will have 2 and 9 down. It is 29. Next 3 9 ja 27. We have remainder 2. 3 does not divide 89 exactly through. So 3 is not a factor of 89. Okay. Now you will check for other numbers also. Okay. It will not come, 89 will not come in any other table except 1 and 89. You can see by dividing by other numbers. Okay. As you can see here also, 89 is a prime number. Okay. So the only factors are 1 and 89. So factors of 89 are 1 and 89. So 89 is a prime number. Okay. Now move on to next part. Next part is D part 96. First of all, we will write down the factors of 96. Let us find out. 1 multiplied by 96 is 96, right? Then 2 also divides 96 exactly, right? Sorry, 2 multiplied by 48. Okay, you can divide in rough work. 2 4 ja 8 and it is 1. 6 down, 2 8 ja 16. So remainder is 0. So you will get 2 multiplied by 48 is 96. Next it will be 3, right? 3 multiplied by 32 is 96. You can divide in similar way in rough work. Okay. Next 4 also divides 96 in 24. Okay. Equal to 96. Next 5 does not divide 96. You can check. Next 6 will divide 96. Right? On 16. Okay. You can check. 6 1 ja 6, right? Remainder is 3. 6 down, 6 6 ja 36. Remainder is 0. So 6 multiplied 16 is 96. Okay, 7 will not divide 96 again. Then 8 will also divide 96. On which number? 12. Now 9 does not divide 96. 10 also does not divide 96. In similar way, 11 also not. And 12 divide 96, as you can see here. We will not repeat this pair. 8 multiplied 12 or 12 multiplied by 8 is the same thing. Okay. So we have all the factors. We will write down the factors. The factors of 96 are 1. We will start from 1, then 2, then 3, 4, then it's 6, then 8, and after 8 it will be 12, then 16, then 24, 32, 48, and last factor is 96. So as you can see, there are many factors of 96. That is, more than 2 factors are there. So 96 is a composite number. Okay. Other parts you will try yourself. Next is question number 3. Write down the first 10 prime numbers. You can do this yourself. Okay, you have to write the first 10 prime numbers starting from 2, right? Next, question number 4. Write down all the prime numbers between 50 to 110. That is, the prime numbers should be greater than 50 and less than 110. This also you will try yourself. Okay. Next is question number 5. A number lies between 2000 and 2070 and has 5 in its ones place. Is it a prime number or composite number? Give reasons. We have to write down a number between 2000 and 2070. It comes somewhere in between these two numbers, okay, and has 5 in its ones place, means its unit digit is 5. And suppose I have taken the number 2005, okay, it lies between 2000 and 2070, okay, and it has 5 in its ones place, so I can take 2005. You can also take 2015 or 2035 or 2025 and so on. You can take any number, any one number you have to take, okay. So I have 2005. Is it a prime number or composite number? So we will check for its factors first. If it has two different factors, then it will be a prime number, okay. If it will have more than two different factors, then it will be a composite number. So we will check for its factors, okay. As you know that 1 is factor of every number, so 1 multiplied by 2005 is 2005, okay, and 2005 is also a factor of 2005, okay. It is multiplied with 1 is which comes 2005, okay. Now it has 5 in its ones place. If a number has 5 in its unit place, it is divisible by 5 always. You can check in your rough work. If you have a big number, then you can find the factors by dividing in rough work, okay. So 5 4 ja 20 and remainder is 0. Here is also 0, right. You will take 0 down, it will not come again. Then you will take 5 down, you will apply a 0 here as you have taken down 2 digits together, okay. So it is 5 5 1 ja 5. Now remainder is 0. So 5 divides 2005 exactly. So 5 multiplied by 401 is 2005, right. As you can see, it has 4 factors. Other factors can be there, but we have found here 4 factors. That is it has more than 2 factors, 2 different factors. So obviously 2005 is composite number. 2005 has more than 2 different factors. It is a rough work, okay. 2 different factors. So 2005 is composite number. Okay, if you will take the other number, say 2015 or 2035, then also they will have 5 as one of their factors, okay. So obviously they will also have more than 2 different factors, so the number will always be composite, okay. So 2005 is a composite number as it is divisible by 5, okay.